and cry out to God for mercy. But all of us, no matter our profession, need to prepare for those inevitable moments of compassion and empathy. For that reason, I'm heartily endorsing a brand new United Kingdom. He's written a new book called The Way of Lament, a biblical approach to God in times of need. In the pages of his book, he points us to the biblical model for taking our anguish to the throne of God. It's like the psalmist did. With the personal loss, I am coming along someone who needs your wise, biblical counsel and compassion. You appreciate early this book, The Way of Lament, a biblical approach to God in times of pain. To get a copy of the book, The Way of Lament, lift up yourself for living today. It's available when you give a donation of any amount. And please don't let the size of your donation become a barrier to requesting Terry Corey's book. Your contribution, large or small, truly makes a difference. Church teaching on this passion is made possible as all of us got together toward a common goal, to share the good news of God's Word as widely and boldly as possible. Again, call 1-800-772-8888. Or online, go to insight.org. Or write to us at this easy-to-remember address. Insight for Living, Post Office Box